Welcome, beautiful souls, to our healing affirmation session. Today, we're embarking on a journey of emotional healing and inner peace. Life can be challenging, and sometimes we carry emotional wounds that need healing. Let's nourish our souls with affirmations that promote healing and restore our inner peace. Let's start with a powerful affirmation. I am worthy of love and healing. Repeat after me. I am worthy of love and healing. You are deserving of love and all the healing energy the universe has to offer. Now, let's release any pain we may be holding on to. Repeat after me. I release all pain and embrace forgiveness. Forgiveness is a gift you give yourself. Let go of the past and embrace the freedom it brings. Next, let's affirm our trust in the healing process. Repeat after me. I trust in the process of healing and allow it to unfold. Healing is a journey, and it's okay to take it one step at a time. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be. Repeat after me. I let go of fear and welcome peace into my heart. Repeat after me. I am gentle with myself as I navigate through healing. Repeat after me. I am resilient and I will emerge from this stronger than before. Repeat after me. I forgive myself for any mistakes and embrace self-compassion. Say it with me. I release tension from my body and invite relaxation and calmness. I invite you to repeat after me. I am at peace with my past and present, and I look forward to a peaceful future. Lastly, let's affirm our connection to love and support. Repeat after me. I am surrounded by love and support. You are never alone. Love and support surround you always. Thank you for joining me in this healing affirmation session. Remember, you are worthy of love, healing, and inner peace. Until next time, may your heart be filled with love and your soul be at peace. Take care and see you soon.